Hi everyone, Joshua here with Barista Warehouse, and today we're going to look over the Porlex Mini Coffee Hand Grinder. This is a great choice for a travel grinder as it only weighs 240 grams, which makes it one of the lightest manual coffee grinders available. It's still made from quality stainless steel and it's going to grind up to 30 grams of beans at a time. It travels well with the addition of the handle holder here on the side, keeping everything nice and compact. The four parts to the grinder are the handle, which is a nice smooth action and it's easier to grip onto. At the other end is where it attaches to the main shaft of the grinder. There's also a lid that attaches to the top of the grinder body before the handle, so you don't get any coffee beans bouncing out during grinding. Now the body of the grinder is fairly compact, but does have this rubber ring that assists in gripping whilst you're grinding. And once you slip on the grinds catcher, you'll have no trouble at all, and it slips on and off really securely with a twist, so you don't need to worry about it falling off during grinding. Remove the grinds catcher and underneath that is the stepped grind adjustment nut for changing the grind setting. And it's a handy feature where each adjustment can be heard by a click of the adjustment nut. So you turn it right or clockwise for fine and left or anti-clockwise for a coarser setting. And the Porlex grinder will produce a range of grind sizes perfect for filter style coffee brewing from stovetop all the way up to French press. And if you want to put in the hard work, it would happily grind for manual espresso makers, but it will take some time, like 3 to 4 minutes to grind through a 20-gram dose at those finer settings. However, the Porlex grinders use Japanese ceramic conical burrs that are really well made and remain sharp for an extremely long time if taken care of. And the grind consistency of Porlex is better than expected, as it is supported by a spring that keeps the inner burr in place without too much movement whilst under load. Talking maintenance and cleaning, this should be done regularly to keep your Porlex performing consistently. And all I'm talking about is undoing everything from the adjustment nut. It will all come apart, and those burrs won't rust, so you can rinse them under water and keep them like new. Now Porlex have a taller version, the Porlex Tall, and you can check out both of these grinders on our website. And that's the Porlex Mini Hand Grinder for you. Using freshly ground coffee will always produce better results in the cup. Better yet, having that freshly ground coffee anywhere you are by taking along the Porlex Mini. If you have any questions on the Porlex Mini, then throw them in the comments below and we'll get straight back to you. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon on your screen, and this way you keep notified when we bring out videos just like this one every week. If you've liked the video, hit like. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.